Hey kids, get ready, because today I'm taking you on a magical adventure. Let's dive into the story of Mia, Leo and Tilly, three best friends from a quaint little town. One sunny afternoon, while they were playing in their secret treehouse, they stumbled upon an old dusty book hidden under the floorboard. The cover read, "The Magical Dreamers Club." Mia, who's always curious, opened it, and guess what? The pages began to glow. Suddenly, golden dust swirled around them, and poof, they were in Dreamland, a place where anything they imagined could come to life. They were greeted by Lumina, a friendly fairy with sparkling wings. "Welcome, dreamers. Dreamland needs your help to restore its magic," Lumina said. The friends were super excited and agreed to help. Lumina gave them a magical map showing 3 places they needed to visit. First, they went to. Here they had to find the heart of the oldest tree and sing a special song. Mia used her amazing imagination to create a beautiful melody. The tree's heart glowed brightly, restoring the forest's magic. Next, they traveled to. Inside the glittering caves, they needed to solve a puzzle to unlock the magic hidden in the crystals. Clever Tilly, with her sharp mind, solved the riddle. The crystals shone with a dazzling light, filling Dreamland with warmth and magic. Finally, they arrived at. To restore its magic, an act of bravery was needed. Brave Leo climbed to the top of the waterfall and let out a cheer that echoed through the land. The waterfall turned into a cascade of vibrant colors, spreading joy and magic everywhere. With their mission complete, Lumina thanked them and promised they could return to Dreamland anytime. The golden dust swirled around them once more, and they found themselves back in their treehouse. The book now glowed with a gentle light. Mia, Leo, and Tilly knew they would always cherish their magical adventure. They also knew their friendship and imagination could take them anywhere, even to the most magical places. And so, the Magical Dreamers Club continued to explore, dream, and fill their world with wonder. I hope you enjoyed this story. It's the perfect mix of adventure, friendship, and imagination. Remember, your imagination can take you anywhere. See you next time, little dreamers.